Many people invest in property as a vehicle to set themselves up for retirement. You've worked hard throughout your life. Despite this, 84% of people do not have the money required for retirement. The average residential mortgage owing at retirement is $165,000. You want to put away whatever you've managed to save into an asset that will provide you with a safe asset class that grows over time and ideally a source of passive income when you no longer have the ability or desire to work. It's important to make the right decision when it comes to your retirement investments. As a first step, choosing the right type of property asset that suits your situation is vital. The great thing is, since 1972, average property prices have increased from $10,000 to $691,000. Sure, there are peaks and troughs along the way. However, that growth demonstrates that the right property can be a fantastic store of your wealth in the long term. Our 4-step process sets out a roadmap to ensure that we get it right. We take you all the way from initial discovery through to investing in a property that meets your financial goals. Visit us at agenzia.com.au if you'd like to know more.